Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 5-pointed paper star. This model is folded from a pentagon shaped piece of paper, but to create this pentagon, we'll start with a square. Our first step is to fold it in half vertically. Now we need to create a guide to know where the center of the top side is. To do this, bring the top edge to the left and slightly mark the center. Undo. Now bring it to the right. And mark the center again. Now we have a small X that we can use as a guide. For the next step, make sure the open side is on the left. If it is, bring the bottom right corner up to this little X we made. Then, along this same fold, fold the top edge down. Next, fold the right side to this fold we just made. Flip it over and bring one edge to the other, folding the paper like this. Now that we have this done, we'll cut the paper along the edge of the top layer, following this line here. Unfold everything. And we have our pentagon. Now we can start making our origami star. First, we will create this new line at the bottom. To do this, fold the bottom side up until the corners line up with the two diagonal lines here. Reinforce the crease. And unfold. Rotate the paper and do the same on the next side. Again, fold the paper up, aligning with those two diagonals, and reinforce the crease. Repeat the same step for the remaining three sides. Once these creases are done, rotate the paper to this position. Now close the bottom corner by using these two lines we made. Then bring the corner to the left, flatten the paper, making a new crease, and unfold. Now, as you can see, we have an extra crease here. Let's go to the next corner. Again, close the paper using the two existing diagonal lines here. Just like before, bring the corner to the left, press the paper to create a crease, and unfold. Now we have the new crease on this part too. Let's repeat the same step on the remaining corners. With all of this done, pay close attention to the next step. We'll start by bringing all 5 sides to the center. Then carefully close it, leaving one layer on top of the other. For the final detail, flip it over and reinforce everything. To make the first tip of the star, we need to fold the top layer, creating this diagonal. Just make sure the corner is aligned with the center and reinforce. Now rotate the paper and fold the second layer the same way. Do the same on the next. And repeat on the fourth. Now, to make the last one, we first need to unfold the first one, then fold the last layer like before, and then fold the first one again using the existing crease. Our paper star is ready! I hope you enjoyed this video and were able to make it. If so, congratulations! Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.